On today's installment of Big Al's Garage, we put Humpty Dumpty together again. How y'all doing? Well, I'm Big Al. Welcome to the garage. Today's the day you've all been waiting for. We are putting the Corvair back together. I may not have all the king's horses and all the king's men. I got something better. My dad. Let's get to it.
We need to look at the thermistor thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's one hole.
Yep.
That looks like the right one. It's odd though, it doesn't go all the way down, it has a gasket.
Yeah.
That is odd. Alright. Is the other bottom thing off? The other bottom pan?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's look at this head. See what this fucker looks like.
A few moments later.
Bench pressing 32 pounds. Alright, hold on. There we go. Now, getting it around this rubber washing machine seal is a nightmare. How are we doing on top?
It's on.
Okay.
Underneath the seal.
Okay.
It's almost in.
Alright. Almost in, huh?
Now it's on an angle, so it's gonna not go.
Okay, which side is out?
This side is out.
Oh. Rubber mallet?
Coming right up. There you go.
Okay. Ouch. Alright, looks like the bottom ones are going in. Yep.
So if it's up, you're on to the jugs, or
Okay.
at least the number 2. Number 6, you're still kind of...
Yeah, out of the... Oh. It's not hit the valves.
Please don't.
But I'd almost swear to it that the big end is at the top. The little end goes into the block. Okay. Install pushrod tubes placed against cylinder head, tapped in with a hammer. Yeah, it doesn't tell you, but I know the big ones go at the top.
attached. We are doing the passenger side pushrod tube seals next. Here's the engine, mostly put back together, brand new NGK spark plug wires. Exhaust system's going back on next. So the car is on the driveway. We are doing the running adjustment of the valves. There is the driver's side. You can kind of see him going. I do not want to stand behind the car. Uh-oh. We are still having fuel delivery issues. My dad doing the adjustment. Here we go. I think we finally got it. Alrighty. Took us the better part of 2 days to get to this point. We still have plenty left to do. Here she is back in the garage. She moved here under her own power. The head job and valve adjustment is done. That's the good news. Bad news is I'm still dealing with a fuel starvation issue. I can fill the carburetor bowls and she'll run until the gas in the bowls runs out, and that's it. Nothing more. So my next move is going to be to swap out the fuel pump. You know, the mechanical fuel pumps in these have a somewhat checkered reputation, so that seems like a likely place to start. It could also mean the filters built into the carburetors have become clogged, or there is a clog somewhere else in the line between the gas tank and the fuel pump. We need to figure out why this thing's not getting fuel before I can take her back out on the road. It was a long 2 days full of trial and error, but the car is much closer to being back on the road. I can actually pull her out and move her around. I'm very optimistic. Anyway, that is it for today. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next installment.